Sanibonani Ninjani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, first thing first, you guys need to subscribe on my channel. This thing of you of not subscribing and listening here. So the story the story is peled. So please go subscribe to at Nash TV at Nash Real TV. So born and I was one and I'm going to be right and then subscribe. So okay, actually I'm actually irritated because I'm recording this thing for the second time. So the energy is so anyway, breaking news, ne? Miss the developments ne, from the Nigerian girl. She has just delivered. No, she has just issued a statement saying she withdrews. She says she's withdrawing. So Vanessa ne, Miss Nigerian South Africa. She just withdrew. So now you withdraw. Sasa you withdrew. The other day you withdrawing. No, right. Okay, past tense. Wait, I got this. Present tense. Yeah, present tense. Past tense. Past of the past tense. So you withdraw now. You withdrawing. Okay, anyway. What is I need like she withdrew from the miss and then the audacity of this girl, she sends a statement. She said, we thank you. She sends a statement, this girl. She says she's thanking everybody who stood by her side, Miss South Africa, Nigerian, who are you thanking, my girl? Who are you thanking? Because you are not supposed to be part of it anyway. Now, what are you thinking? As if we said we want to. Now, you are supposed to leave anyway. So now don't say, I think, no, my girl, you are not a South African. You are Nigerian. So go ahead and Genera, so maybe you thinking so easy. And you just, okay, I get it. So if the audacity of those girls to even say, thank you for the support, Miss South Africa was that, yabona nje mina Nigerian angazi ngempela ukuthi athathwaphi aphila nje emhlabeni wawo njengawazi. There's a girl out there or there's a child that does not have an ID because of this girl, and then now some South Africans are sitting there saying, she's also the victim. Yay uchichima bazi uze washada. Hey, uchichima ushade indoda yakhe le yase-Saint ukuze ayinike i-citizenship ya-South African ukuze lo mgulukudu wase-Saint akwazi mhlawumbe athenge nge-ID yakhe naye yabona nje abe-South Africa mhlawumbe athole nje you saw the hayini Nigerians, it makes sense now. She knew this girl. Cause uma wakhe, she stole a Mozambican. So she's there umgela uma wakhe, she said, no, mina ngishayela amasaloni anginenkinga, but wena ngizokwenzela ukuthi uthole into, wena uzobe ususiza lo mndeni. So uma kaChichima wayicabangela ingane yakhe. So she did good as umza. No, not because she did good as umntshontsho, kodwa ucabange njengomzali ukuthi mina anginandaba kodwa ukuze impilo ka-girl ibe right, I must do this for her and give her a citizenship. Ngiyomtsho, hayi lo mama, which is ucabangela umntanakhe, but at an expense of umntana omunye yabona, which is wrong. But she reminds me of this woman osebhayibhelini, labantu lesitoro sebhayibhelini, lo omunye wazala ingane enomlenze ongekho, lo lesitoro sebhayibhelini man, two women balele bazala, lo omunye wazala ingane eshonile, lo omunye wadelela wazala ingane ngathi wadelela nje besazozala seselincane bezala sasizala kanjalo phela, wazala ingane eshonile, lona wathi lona olele wazala ingane right, lo ozala ingane eshonile wavuka wadonsa ingane yalo ephilayo wayifaka ngapha wahamba. Please subscribe.
Hi, guys. ke nna Ayanda ke tswa from Mamelodi Nalapia extension 2 ke na le 22 years ke na le bothata ba ID I couldn't get ID because ba re ke duplicate ko Home Affairs and then wa ke na le 16 ke re ko ya smart card ke ke le hore already ba setse na le motho a setse a sirileng ka di details tsa ka tsotlhe ID le bitso laka and then ditswa o dirile ko KZN and then azanka nna KZN so bothata bo I think bo thomile way back ka 2001 re ke busitse ko teng marao my mom Rachel Celiwe Simelane according to the documents ke di krileng ko Home Affairs ko di social worker ba re nearly a student anna sanisite abala labor relation ko tax yena o tla KZN mama ka nna zanka ka nna ko a ke mitsi ba re o belegile nna a nshia ko sepetlele ko Tshwane Academic Hospital so years goes ya tsa mamengwaga so ni ka kra place of safety ko ke nang recently no from kinal 2 years up until today ke sa nna le bona and then I kono kra ID ka 17 year 16 ne so go town Home Affairs ko town ba re ke tla mo Home Affairs mo Mahuli cause ke nna Mamelodi ke katla ke ntse ke attenda then up until ke ra matric tshwantseng wa le matric ko sekolong ba re ke ngwale ka Vidaviti cause a kena ID ka ngwala ka Vidaviti and then the results tshwantse ditso a di atswa cause a berekisang ID ya tshwana le yaka yena o ngwetse a year before me the results tsa hae di tswile so 2020 ka kra ngwana ke mshimane ana birth certificate like mara anu ka mngwadisa ka papa hae cause like go buyang baby daddy issue so I've tried ke sala ka ngwala Devi ka ngwala checkpoint ka ngwala re ya tsotella and then I get to so and then from telling the aban reply le abundant ba re banya ka kitle ke tshware di information like mama ka firstly a ke mitsa zang ka mona a ke nyoko bolela family ya hae e o tla ke itse family ke nang le yona so guys ne kopela thuso at least like get to see you because it's been years now Home Affairs bandrela like abantusi ne cause no so ngwana ka ba safara ko kreche mbanya ka birth certificate a ke khono mirela a khono like a khono ba fa tsona a khono bereka a khono ira se like and then like I've tried like ke nna le mamaka o bereka mmereko like how any much but they are trying by all means sorry ke kre everything so I hope video e tlo fitla ko motho o morata tlo nthusa cause ke 8 years no ke sa thusiwe so kopa le nthuseng like cause mo Home Affairs ma hobe abanthusi it's been years now like ke lapile cause ke namela taxi ha ke bereke ke namela taxi ho tloha mo ho ya go ke nang it's 50 rand so no kopa le nthuse ka leboha